Alright Narry Warren team, I'm back with another video workout for you all, and let's make this a good one. We're going with our normal structure today, you can see it right there. We've got 3 groups of exercise and we're going to do each of them 3 times over for a minute with each exercise. If you're finding it extra easy just because you're that good, then do an extra set of each to make it 4. Other than that, I think I've covered everything, so let's get right into the workout. Alright, our first dribbling exercise is going to be through the legs and then we're going to go back and front. So we're just going to go around in a circle with this one, try and get as many as you can within the minute. The keys that we want here is a split stance, just like this. We're going to get nice and low, and from there we're going to do our dribble moves, just like this. One of the keys here is as you stay really nice and low, we want this dribble back in front of us to go under that knee. We don't want it to be too high. The other key here that a lot of people mess up a little bit is when they get down into this stance, they let this back knee point outwards. We really want to keep it nice and straight right in front of us because that's how we're going to be in the game. And make sure to do both sides. Now that you know that one, we're going to go into exercise that we're pairing with that. What it's going to be is going to be a front-back lunge. Before I show you the actual exercise, I'll remind you of what we're looking for in a lunge. When you get down into a lunge position, I really want us to have right angles at the knee, at the hip, and at the ankle at the bottom of the lunge. That goes for the front leg and the back leg. From there, what we're going to be doing is going to be with the same leg, we're going to go into a front lunge, a back lunge, and then we'll switch legs. So that looks just like this. As you can see, we're going straight from the front lunge to the reverse lunge. Try and get through as many of those as you can in a minute. Now that you know those first 2 exercises, pause here and then I'll see you on the other side of that. Alright, the next dribbling exercise is just going to be behind the back. We're going to dribble it behind the back the whole time and we want to stay nice as low as possible. Again, our key is get down into your athletic stance and from there we're just dribbling behind us. With this one, like usual, the harder you find it, the higher up you're going to want to be and the taller your dribbles are going to be. And then the more difficult that you want to make it, you're going to get nice and low. The exercise that we're going to pair with that is a soldier plank. What we're going to do for this is we're going to get down into our plank position and we're going from our hands to our elbows. What I want to focus on here is really keeping that body flat like a plank of wood and we're going down keeping stable. That looks like this. We want to stay really strong through our body and really push up with using those forearms there. Now that you have that pair of exercises, again we're going to pause the video, then you can get back with us after that. Alright, this is our last exercise pairing for this video. First off, we're going to have a dribble triple combo. We've done this one a few times before. I really want us to try to get it as good as we can. It's going to be a crossover in front, through the legs, then behind the back. And then you go straight back into it and it will alternate sides like that. Let's get nice and low on this one and we're going to really try and keep our head up the whole time. It looks just like this. Stay nice and low, try to get it going as quickly as possible. Otherwise, just slow it down. You can even add dribbles between each part. For our exercise here, we're going to hold on to the basketball and we're going to get into isometric squat figure 8s. Now, it's a bit of a longer name, but all that means we're going to get nice and low into a squat position and we bring the ball around our feet. I really want us to focus on keeping our chest up. If it helps, watch the screen in front of you. And as you're low, we're bringing that ball through our legs. Stay nice and low the whole time, keep your head up, and bring that ball through your legs as quickly as possible. As a challenge here, each time that you do it, I want you to try and beat your last record. So if you get 50 in 1 minute one time, then try to get 60 the next. Try to beat yourself every single time and that'll help with your hand-eye coordination. Pause the video now, do it 3 or 4 times, and then you're good. Alright guys, really good work today. That's another workout done. If you're following along with these, you're gonna be much more ready once we get back to basketball. Plus, I think they're a little bit of fun to do while you're in lockdown. Everybody stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.